Yeah, you met Joe? Joe Mama!
Alright, so we're back and we need some usable footage.
Shopping cart.
Okay, then what are you doing?
That's some high quality venom over there.
Oh!
Someone's period's gone wrong.
Bruh.
You're back for that. Stop for the. You're back for that. You're back for that.
Oh my god!
Stay back.
What you eating there? I'm not stalking no one.
Old Cam came up. That was fine. He found a lawnmower in the field.
Yeah.
Bumper car. Come on, baby, you don't.
Here, come on. Someone landed my Lambo. Come on.
Hey, baby.
You're hurting its uterus.
Park the car.
Wait, is that... It's just garbage.
There she is.
Our beauty. We did not just...
Give her a nice sweet car wash. She's all clean and pretty.
Wait, are you gonna...
Ready? Beep, beep.
He always hears me.
Hi.
Oh, did I not just... He doesn't know. He's already... I literally said I moved to be surprised if Griffin was here. Damn, boy. That's thick, boy.
We can't afford to keep her. We've had a great life with her. She's ready. Just give her last goodbyes. Right away! I don't want her anymore! I guess it's goodbye. Abandoned her. We just couldn't afford to keep her.
We didn't have enough gas for her.
She's a goner. She had cancer of the gas chamber.
She had scoliosis in her nuts and bolts.
We were good parents for about an hour. So it's been a few hours, and after we got home from school, now we're here, so. Ow! Kaden, how is that?
It's pretty good.
Joe, how is it?
It's really good.
Yeah, it is good. Explicit content, this is not a family-friendly segment. There is literally a condom wrapper. Okay, what are you doing? Bosley, did you just set the car alarm off?
I'm dancing.
Yeah. Wait,
What was that?
what is that? Alright, so like some people, I don't know who they were, they like burned down this whole entire thing. There was like a huge wall over here. Look at this, you can see the burnt wood. What's that noise? What is that?
Hello.
Look at we see this. Look at that. $6.99 clearance for $6.99. Broke
10 out of 10. What's broken cranberry?
We got some rich people water. Alright, so we're gonna go over to Blake's house and we need some vlog footage, so let's go. We need some vlog footage. We need some vlog footage. Sweet dreams, baby girl.
See you, Blake.
Oh my god, you're actually so bad. You're literally gonna die.
This is so bad. Bro!
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow all my social medias. Link will be in the description down below. And stay tuned for future content. Oh my god.